Is Commonwealth Bank really worth it? You're thinking about switching banks, huh? Maybe you're tired of your current bank's fees, or perhaps you're looking for better interest rates. And let's be honest, Commonwealth Bank, ComBank, is a big name in the banking world. It's everywhere, TV ads, billboards, even your neighbor probably banks with them. But is it the right bank for you? Let's dive deep into the Commonwealth Bank. We're going to break down the good, the bad, and the ugly. We'll talk about their savings accounts, home loans, credit cards, and even their customer service. And don't worry, we'll keep it real. No sugarcoating. So, is Commonwealth Bank the golden goose of banking or just another shiny object? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about what makes ComBank tick. It's Australia's largest bank, which means they have a massive customer base and a whole lot of branches. Convenience is a big deal for many people, and ComBank certainly delivers on that front. Plus, they've got a strong online and mobile banking platform. It's sleek, it's easy to use, and you can pretty much do everything from your phone. But let's not get carried away. Size doesn't always equal best. Just because a bank is big doesn't mean it's the right fit for you. We need to look at the nitty-gritty. Let's start with their savings accounts. Are their interest rates competitive? Are there any hidden fees? What about their bonus savings accounts? Are they worth the hype? Next up, home loans. Everyone wants the best deal on their mortgage, right? So, how does ComBank stack up? Are their interest rates competitive? What about their loan-to-value ratios? And let's not forget about their refinancing options. Credit cards are another important factor. Does ComBank offer rewards programs that actually give you value? What about their interest rates and fees? Are there any annual fees? And how good is their fraud protection? We can't ignore the elephant in the room, customer service. How easy is it to get in touch with ComBank? Are their wait times reasonable? And most importantly, do they actually help you when you have a problem? But it's not all about the numbers and features. Banking is also about trust and security. How does ComBank protect your money? What security measures do they have in place? And what happens if something goes wrong? We'll also explore some of the alternatives. Maybe there are smaller banks or online-only banks that offer better deals. Or perhaps there are specialized banks that cater to specific needs, like business banking or ethical investing. So, is Commonwealth Bank the right bank for you? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what ComBank offers and whether it's the best option for your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.